Hold on, let me get her hot.
Now we got specialty S10 tools here that we have to make for it. And it's a spark plug puller. Don't breathe that shit in. Yeah, it smells like a motor burning up.
Should have used my cheap wrench. I just thought of that. I think this is my Craftsman.
Hey, you can still
sit. Use one of the Chinese wrenches.
Take it back to Sears and get a new one. Premium tool fabrication shop here. If you ever need to work on your Chevy S10 or Blazer, we got the tools for you.
Yeah, customized, man. If I was Sears Roebuck, I'd charge you $150 for that wrench right there.
Gonna spew killing everywhere.
No, who cares? I got antifreeze.
Idle air control out, cleaned all that up, cleaned the throttle body up. It's pretty gummed up.
Your birdie's so tight.
Gotta set up the camera here. Hope it don't fall over like it did there. Perfect. Throttle body needs to be cleaned.
Cut that outer end off and then put a piece of conduit on there for some leverage.
We gotta make a special wrench to go on this stupid fuel line thing here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over to the shop. We're gonna take that wrench and we're gonna heat it up and bend it.
Yep.
The coil pack, just get it out of your way. Move the heater core hose. Just get the stuff out of your way as best as possible, and remove that too. Get that out of the way. You want to make sure this is a clean area because you don't want your engine sucking sand into it when you start it back up.
That's there. That's there. thing cured.
You don't let it burn a hole in the bottom of that pan.
No, I don't think so. Okay.
It's still smoking.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Still hot.
Mm-hmm.
Let it sit there for a minute.
Yeah, it smells like a motor burning up.
Spark plug out of my truck.
Now we got specialty S10 tools here that we have to make for it.
Shit.
And it's a spark plug puller.
Cheap wrench. I just thought of that. I think this is my Craftsman.
Hey, you can still
I should
sit.
have used one of the Chinese wrenches.
Take it back to Sears and just get a new one. So I don't know what happened to it. I was just wrenching and it twisted.
I think that's good right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, don't get yourself breathing that.
All right, here we go.
You gotta be careful, that thing falls. Oh, it's hot. Smoke cellar. Switch it around so you don't end up with a bunch of oil in the driveway and a hole in the bottom of your pan you just bought.
Hopefully not. Give it a minute or two. Good. No, that's Taiwan. Cool. I don't feel so bad. I think I'm taking my good Craftsman wrench.
Well, back at Dead Broke Garage. Smells like a Gearhead barbecue in here. Yeah, don't breathe that shit in. Nasty. Premium tool fabrication shop here. If you ever need to work on your Chevy S10 or Blazer, we got the tools for you.
Yeah, customized, man. If I was Sears Roebuck, I'd charge you $150 for that wrench right there.
Yep, tool's still hot.
Yeah,
it's
still
beer time.
Yeah, it's beer time. Let's go have a beer. Wash my hands.
It's bending the wrench.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a crows for that. Something up.
Let me. I had those upstairs in my house. Right there. What size was that?
That was 19 millimeter.
Yeah, why? We can make one. Just drill a hole in that. Enough to.
Well, you got to do a square hole. That'd be really a
I'm just sitting over the hematoma in my eye. Oh, I got that out. You son of a mother. Pretend we took these off, but they're not gonna come off, so you guys, good luck on that, right? We gotta get some extra brackets off.
It's right underneath this hose. That's why we gotta take the hose off. Feel that? That's the intake valve.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
didn't
let's
see
pull
it 'cause
this
I'm
hose
blind.
off. Here.
It's gonna spew killing everywhere.
No, it ain't. Who cares? I got antifreeze. It's the highest point. It ain't gonna be push rushing out.
Good color.
It's fucking black. When the hell is antifreeze black?
It ain't black. Look at that clean shit. It's just the grind that was in between that. We want to pull that up and like that. So
get that out of the way. Look at that. That's fucking antifreeze. Look at it.
Here, look right here.
Okay.
And this thing got clean, decent antifreeze in it. Right there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, baby, now we're in there.
Alrighty, baby. Look at that.
Well, I'm finally getting her pants off.
This.
Oh, that's just some extra tubage they put in there just for your pleasure. There's all your injectors, and it also has the aftermarket ones.
Is it?
It's the MPFI version because they're not in this, but they're junk. It's this one.
Okay, can you know how to take them out?
Yeah, you gotta use a little, like mini little screwdriver and ease them out.
What pair?
I mean, it probably wouldn't matter. These are junk anyway, so just rip them out of there. That's all I say. Thanks for giving us a guide on whoever thought this would be easy. Vice grip it.
There you go.
It does. It really looks like a spider, like something out of the War of the Worlds movie. Thing's gonna come after you in your sleep and attack you.